yesterday I already just shared some documents, some notes with you. So yesterday I just did only the interface part. I'll just opening how to create the project, and that's it. Initially, today I'll just describe you how to create a project panel with sequence. Also, how can we add little editing over there. So there is a project panel, so we can just import the footages over there. There is a title, timeline bar. Basically, you just import that any kind of data, and you just need to manipulate. You want to just manipulate the data, so you just manipulate from there only. This is a tool panel. This is the helping tools, the helping hands to manipulate the data. This is the final window, right? You can, if you are working on some videos and the images and anything else, so there is like things are there, so there is a final window are there, so you can just see the final output whatever you edited. This is the source panel. If you want to watch this video, if you are like import any video in a Premiere, so you just want to check your video, the how is look like and everything, so there's a source panel. You can just import the video easily over here and check the videos. There is a effect and control panel. You can just, if you just apply any effect in the video and you just want to just manipulate and just control the property of the effect and control panel, so you can just handle it from there. There is a audio and clip mixer, so you just need to maintain the audio panel, audio bar, and like you want to just reduce the audios, right? So you just reduce the audio from there. So these kind of options you just need to manipulate. Once we just go for the detail part, so then automatically these options will be highlighting and will describe you properly, right? Initially I have to, if you are working any project, so you have to create a sequence. First of all, I'll just describe you what is the sequence, right? First of all, the sequence, if you are just creating, if in a school, what is a sequence? Like every number of students, make a row, make a line, so automatically you can just see the sequence. Same thing I'm just I'm just doing. So first of all, we have to create a sequence. For the editing part, we have to just line up a sequence, line up a number of shots for creating any concept, creating any video, right? So first of all, you have to create a sequence. So how to create a sequence? Like you can see this, drag media to here, create a sequence. So if you have dragged the media directly over there, so automatically create the sequence. But I'm just not going directly to drag media over there. I'm just creating a sequence as per my according, as per our control. How can we do this? Like 2-3 options, 2-3 ways to create the sequence. So first of all, what is the first way? Like you just need to press down Control and there obviously automatically new sequence panel is open, and you have to just put it down the values and create the sequence, right? It is understood. So these are the basic settings. These are the basic sequence settings are there. So you can just pick the presets also. This is a presets. What is a preset? Preset is called like it's a default settings already running in a market. It's a universal setting running in already in a market. So it is a basic settings. So initially I'm just moving up basic settings, because if I'm just doing proper settings in proper setting panel, so there is a lot of things, a lot of panels are there, because it's a proper theory class. And then definitely in next class I'll tell you the sequence setting. It is very important to create, right? Initially I'm just doing anything, I'm just picking anything. Why we are just picking anything? Because first of all, I just need to understand the PAL, NTSC, and everything. A lot of material are there. Initially, I'll just pick anything, one select the option and just click it. In the next class, I'll tell you what is the sequence. I'll tell you how can we do the sequence settings, how and why we are just picking the sequence setting. What is the sequence? Right, when we'll use the sequence. So a lot of WH questions are there, and then we'll explain you in the next class, the proper next class in the proper based on sequence settings. Now I am just creating a project, that's why I'm just clicking and selecting anyone and just okay this button. Right, now the sequence of automatically created, the window is automatically reflected, and lot of settings is highlighted over there. Right, so now is there any problem everyone?
Not yet.
No, that's good. And the next way you have to create, how can you just create a sequence? Right click, new item, create a sequence. Right, so is there multiple ways are there, whichever you want to just select the option. So as per it is totally depend on you which way you are selecting. So as per, you just need to take a practice, you just need to go for the create sequence settings, so automatically you will analyze which way is good for you. Right, now I have to import a footage for working part, I have to import a footage for editing. Right, so how can we import the footage? For first thing, I'll just double click on this button. Right, double click over there, automatically this panel is automatically highlighted, and you also just right click, import this button. So automatically some options are automatically highlighted, one dialog box is automatically highlighted. Right, so how can we like do this? First of all, I'll just pick any data, any video. I'll just download from the some another class. I already given some documents. So 6 to 7. I already have a batch, one batch. I'm giving one audio. Yes. Right, I'll download one audio from the internet and double click on this button, go to the downloads, and you can download automatically. You can just import, directly click and open the video or audio, whatever, you just click over there and click and click and import easily in your project, easily import your file in your file. Right, so it is easy to just import your file.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So now I'm moving forward. Right, so how can we working on this audio, and how can we like just import this audio in my timeline? Here the timeline over there. So if you are just double click on this video, audio or video, whatever are you using, so it is automatically go in the source panel, go in a source panel. Right, so you can see this automatically go over there. So see this, if you just press down the spacebar button, so automatically it is on play mode, it is on play mode. Right, and again press spacebar, then pause it. So for spacebar and play and pause, I'll just write down that in a notepad, press space bar, play and pause. Right, is there any doubt? Cool. If you just press the J button, so it is for backward. See this, I'm just pressing over there and press J.
Not known as server.
Right, if you press just K button for the pause only, if you press L for the forward. Right, if you press down 2 times, it is forward in into 2 speed. Okay, it is clear?
Yes, sir. For 2x speed, can you repeat?
Sorry?
For 2x speed, can you repeat the statement?
Yeah, definitely. If you press 2 times L, I'm just pressing L.
Words fall short when you decide my beauty in front of.
Then it will, the speed is automatically increase in a 2x, 2 times. In a double mode, if you just press 3 times, so in a triple mode, so it will be automatically increases. So if you want to just pause the video, just press the K button or press the space bar also. Right?
Right.
Cool. Now I have to just select the area. So first of all, I have to listen some little bit video. So for if you want to just zoom, scale up of the timeline and something else, so you just need to press plus button, right? In the backspace of the left one is a plus button for the zoom part. You can see this. The audio will be zoom, right? Press
Hello.
space bar,
I'm cool.
right? For the minus, for the zoom out, you can just zoom in, zoom out from there also. This zoom in, zoom out, not for the footage, not for the audio. It is zoom for the timeline only. It's not working on speed and duration. It's working only the zoom part. It is a lens to zoom over there, right? And if you want to just cut the video from there, right? From this, I just want the clip from this, from there. So press I button. Press I. I for in point. I for in point. This is the in point of the footages, right? And
I'm
I just
Kolkata.
play.
You know me well.
I want the footages. I just want to audio from in and to out from this button only, from this point only. So press down O. Press just press O. O for the out point. If you want to in point and out point, if you want to select from in, so press I. If you want to just press out for the out point, press O. So it is a in point and out point options are there. So you can easily easily mention the location for the in point and out point. So it will automatically cut it of the footage, right? How can we just import the final file, final cutted area? So how can we, like, there is a two options. If you working on video also, so you can just drag video only. If you working on audio also, so you can just drag audio only. So just click and drag the audio panel. Just click and drag the audio panel. So it is automatically, you can see it is automatically dragged. How can, like, I can see over there, but it is very small property. It is very less number of time. So so you have to press plus button for the zooming part. You can see this. This is the data. You can press zoom also, more zoom. See this.
I'm Kolkata. You know me well.
Right? It is easy to, like, create.
Yes.
You can just cover up this part. You can if I'm just giving some task regarding this same task, so it is possible to create.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. So now I'm moving. I'm just using only one tool. Its name is selection tool. I'm using nothing another tool. I'm using only this one single tool. Its name is selection tool. What is the name that? It is selection tool. Shortcut command is V. It is already default selected tool. If you just open the Premiere Pro, so it is already selected tool, pre-selected tool, right? Now I have to listen the audio one, and I have to put some videos or images over there as per the audio. So first of all, I have to listen. So sing.
I'm Kolkata.
I am Kolkata. So first of all, I have to download a video or photo. So initially I am just moving, I am just starting from the images part. Images are like little bit easier to video according to the video. So initially I am just I have to download some images from the Google. I'm just going to the Google and just press images, and I am Kolkata, right? She said I am. So I'm just, first of all, I just download I am only. Right click, save the image on my desktop, and saved. Next one is Kolkata. I already download one footage from the internet also. So both the images I already downloaded from the internet. Now I have to import the both of the footage in my software, in my project panel. Double click, go to the desktop. Both the properties I will import it. Both of the properties I select and open. Right? Both the properties imported. Right? First of all, I'll just place I am. I'm just clicking and placed over there. You can see this.
I'm Kolkata.
I am Kolkata. Everyone have to listen. Where is I am word over there? Where is I am keyword over there? So first of all, this that. Okay, I'm just using only the press minus button and spacebar and pause. Now if you are using a keyboard left or right button, so you can easily go for frame by frame. So now I have analyzed, like there is only this property panel, you can see this property panel, and we have to I have to just shift it only this clip only from this only. So I'll have to cut it, I have to just stretch out and something. So this is, you can see this is very long picture, the long timeline. So no problem, you just need to go in the last point, automatically red button and red tool is highlighted, and just you have to click and reduce the property, right? So you can see this automatically it is reduced. Right, now I am just importing the second image and click and drag over there, and
I'm Kolkata.
right, so you can just see the Kolkata is like this over there, and I have to just cut, click and drag. Only one tool I'll select it, one tool I'll just take it from the software and I'll do that.
I'm Kolkata.
Right, so it is possible to create.
Yes.
Is there any issues?
No.
Okay, that's good. So I'm just giving one task to you everyone have to share your screen, and I'm just sharing audio also in the WhatsApp group. Everyone have to download this audio and put it 10 seconds related the images downloading from the internet, and put it over there in the sync with the video audio. Okay, so I'll just share the video with you, just a second, audio with you. One document, go to downloads and just share this audio with you. Everyone will download this audio and make a project and download this audio, and just minimum 10 seconds everyone have to create, and minimum 10 images are there in each and every second related to the video audio. Okay, everyone just working on that part, and will share your screen so I can just easily go through it. तो यहाँ पे हमने टूल्स देखे, काफ़ी सारे टूल्स हैं मेरे पास, लेकिन इनिशियली लेवल पे मैं बस एक ही टूल का भी इनिशियली यूज़ करूँगा, जिस टूल का नाम है रेजर टूल, जिसको हम कट टूल बोलते हैं. ठीक है, कट टूल, रेजर टूल, वट एवर आर यू यूजिंग. सो इट्स अ नॉर्मल थिंग. आप इसको जनरली क्लिक करो, कहीं से भी एक क्लिप को, इमेज को या किसी भी चीज को डिवाइड इन अ 2 पार्ट. राइट, जस्ट क्लिक इट, डिवाइड इन अ 2 पार्ट. सी दिस, मैं क्लिक करूंगा और जितने भी क्लिक करूंगा वो 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सी दिस, क्लियर. हमने अल्टीमेटली करते क्या थे, जनरली अगर मेरे को इसको छोटा करना होता तो मैं ऐसे करके छोटा करता था. अगर ये फुटेज बहुत बड़ी आ रही है, मुझे नहीं पता आगे कितनी कब तक है, मेरे को यहाँ से काटना, तो मैं यहाँ से डायरेक्टली काटूंगा, इसको डिलीट कर दूंगा, सेलेक्ट करूंगा, डिलीट कर दूंगा. तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू कट द फुटेज एनीवेयर. राइट, कहीं से भी आप कट कर सकते हो, जहाँ से आपकी चॉइस है. ठीक है,
ओके सर.
क्लियर है वाला. कट टूल हमारा, कहीं से भी उसको कट कर सकते हो. तो मैंने अभी आपको जो ड्यूरेशन दी है, या फिर जो मैंने आपको टाइमलाइन दी है, ये अराउंड मेरी 5 मिनट की, अगर आप सुनो.
Love with me the way you did. Is it too much to ask for? Help me please.
ठीक है, अगर आप इसको पूरा सुनोगे तो ये पूरी अराउंड 1 मिनट के आसपास की है. ठीक है, मैं अगर इसकी मेरी पूरी ऑडियो है और इसको मैं अगर पूरा खोल दूं तो इसकी जो ड्यूरेशन है अराउंड 1 मिनट की है. सो आपको पूरा ये 1 मिनट का जो डेटा है इसको डेवलप करके लाना है. ठीक है, हो जाएगा डेवलप. और मल्टीपल क्लिप्स आर देयर, मतलब ऐसा ना हो कि एक बहुत लिमिटेड क्लिप हो, पूरी मल्टीपल क्लिप होनी चाहिए. हर वर्ड का एक अलग हमारे पास इमेज होना चाहिए. इमेज भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, यू कैन वीडियो ऑल्सो, तो वो आपकी चॉइस है. मेरी प्रायोरिटी अभी इमेज के लिए है. अगर आप वीडियो करते तो वेल एंड गुड, वो बहुत अच्छी बात है. ठीक है, तो अभी जो हमारा टारगेट रहेगा इस 45 सेकंड की वीडियो को कंप्लीट करना है आप लोगों को. ठीक है,
ओके.
सो एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि कल एक्चुअली क्लास नहीं हो पाएगा. कल मैं एक्चुअली ट्रैवलिंग कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन जा रहा हूँ. सो आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल टुमारो, बट tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I am available. So definitely your classes will continue day after tomorrow. Okay, on the same time.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So is there any issues regarding the timing, regarding the classes, or regarding the notes today, regarding the today sessions?
जस्ट तरुण सर, अरुण बोल रहा हूँ, एक रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा। तो जो आपने शॉर्ट कीज बताई जैसे नोटपैड पे लिख रहे थे, वो एक बार लिख के दे दीजिएगा।
हाँ, मैं ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे नोट्स होते हैं, मैं इसको सारे को एक नोटपैड पे रोज लिखता हूँ और वो फॉरवर्ड करता हूँ। ये मेरा रेगुलर हैबिट है। सिलेक्शन टूल
एंड सर, जैसे ये 45 सेकंड्स का आपने क्लिप दिया है, आई मीन बनाने के लिए, तो हम जैसे अपना तरफ से भी कुछ ला सकते हैं बना के?
Yeah, definitely. It is your. ये तो आपको बनाना ही है. Basically, this is a task, and you have to complete this task first, and after that you can create anything. मेरे को उसमें कोई मतलब नहीं, और that's a good. It's a good thing, good thing for you or everyone. Like सबके लिए फायदेमंद है वो. कोई चीज़ आप बनाओगे तो डेफिनेटली वो 4 जने देखेंगे और 4 जने उसमें गलतियाँ निकालेंगे और उसमें एक इम्प्रूवमेंट होगी और उससे हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं.
ठीक है सर।
राइट, तो
आप ब्रीफली सर बता सकते हैं क्या करना क्या है एग्जैक्टली? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा 45 सेकंड्स का।
जो अभी आपने किया 10 सेकंड का अपने सिस्टम पे, इमेजेस को डाउनलोड किया, अकॉर्डिंग टू द वोकल आपने उसको एडजस्ट किया, सेम एज इट इज करना है। ठीक है, कुछ नया नहीं करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, कुछ भी मैंने इफेक्ट लगाने के लिए नहीं बोला है, कुछ भी मैंने किसी चीज़ के लिए नहीं बोला है। सिर्फ आपको इस ऑडियो को प्लेस करना है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इमेजेस को फाइंड करना है और उसको टाइमलाइन के अकॉर्डिंग बिठाना है। बस इतना ही काम आपको दिया है मैंने। राइट, ये टूल्स हैं जो आज मैंने अपनी क्लासेस में यूज़ किए थे। सो आई जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट इन योर व्हाट्सएप। Right, also I'll upload the video of the session video in YouTube, so you can just share it and watch it if you have any doubts while class. Okay, cool.
Okay sir.
Okay, thank you. Good night everyone.
Okay, done sir.
Good night.